Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the map version in the navigation info so you know you need an update. Once confirmed, obtain the official CT200h map package from Lexus or your dealer. This ensures compatibility and avoids bricking the unit. While the file downloads, format a 16 GB or larger USB stick to FAT32 and back up anything on it. Make sure the USB is clean and ready. This first step prevents file system errors during the flashing process. Next, extract the downloaded archive on your computer and copy the update folders and files directly to the USB root. Do not nest them in an extra folder. Once copied, verify the folder structure matches the instructions. Renaming or moving files will stop the update. Now, with the car in ACC mode, insert the USB into the designated port, usually glove box or center console. You must keep power available. The system reads the USB and prepares to install the map files. Begin the installation from Navigation Setup and select Map Update. Follow the prompts on screen to start copying files. You must not turn off the ignition, open doors that cut power, or remove the USB while the system writes data. Interruptions can corrupt the map. Once complete, verify the new map version in NAV information. If the update fails or stalls, try a different FAT32 USB or re-download the package. When problems persist, contact your Lexus dealer for a recovery flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.